Yeah, I've always been forward thinking in everything I do. When I was a head college basketball coach, I was broadcasting our games live on Justin.tv back in 2008. But I thought about something yesterday when I was picking up my dog from the vet, and the woman was giving me my change. And I said, "You know how to give someone their change to ensure that you give them the right change back?" Because in the old days, not only do we have to punch in the actual price as cashiers, which I was, for the products into the register, but we had to count backwards. Do y'all know how to count backwards? Like if something is 11.02 and you give them a 20, you count back. 98 makes 12, 13, 14, 15, and 5 is 20. Anyways, I'm one of the last classes of people that did that, along with people that used a typewriter. Tell me something unique about your childhood.